In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 not recognizing my printer. We will walk through several practical checks and fixes, step by step, so stay with me and follow along on your own computer. First, let us quickly check the basic USB printer connections. Turn off the printer using its power button, and wait until all lights go out. Unplug the USB cable from your printer or from your PC, whichever is easier to reach, and set it aside for a moment. Wait about 30 seconds so any temporary connection glitches clear out. Then plug the USB cable back in firmly until it feels seated, since a loose cable is a very common cause of detection issues. If Windows still does not see the printer later, try a different USB port on your PC, ideally one directly on the machine, not on a hub. Finally, turn the printer back on and watch for it to power up fully with its usual ready light. Now we will try adding the printer manually inside Windows. Press the Windows and I keys together to open the settings window. On the left side, click Bluetooth and Devices. Then on the right, choose Printers and Scanners, where you should see any printers Windows already knows about. Click Add Device at the top. Windows will search for nearby printers for a short time, and you may see a spinning indicator while it scans. When your printer appears in the list, click it once, then click Add Device, and wait while Windows finishes the setup and shows it under your installed printers. If your printer does not appear in that list, stay in the same window and click Add manually. You will see options such as add a printer using an IP address, add a Bluetooth or wireless printer manually, and add a local printer with manual settings. These choices tell Windows how to look for your printer, for example by network address or by a specific local port. Pick the option that matches how your printer is connected, then continue following the prompts that appear on screen. Next up, let us restart the Print Spooler service, which controls how Windows talks to printers. Press Windows and R to open the run box. Type services.msc, then press Enter, and a long list of services will open. Scroll until you find Print Spooler in the name column. Right-click Print Spooler and select Restart. The entry will briefly show stopping, then running again, which means the service has refreshed. Now try detecting the printer again using the steps you tried before. From there, we will update or reinstall your printer drivers. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager from the menu. In the list, expand Printers and also expand Print Queues, since your device might appear in either section. Right-click your printer entry and select Update Driver. Windows will search for a newer driver and install it if one is available, which can immediately fix recognition issues. If the printer still does not work after updating, right-click the same printer again and select Uninstall Device. Confirm any prompt that appears, and the printer will disappear from the list. Restart your PC, and when Windows starts again, it will automatically reinstall the printer driver in the background. For older printers that are not fully detected, go to your printer manufacturer website and download the latest Windows 11 driver, then install it using their instructions. Now we will run the built-in Windows Printer Troubleshooter. Open Settings again from the Start menu, or with Windows and I, go to System, then Troubleshoot, and then Other Troubleshooters, where you will see several tools listed. Find Printer in that list, then click Run next to it. Windows will scan for common printer detection problems, and may ask you to pick your printer from a list or apply suggested fixes. Let the troubleshooter complete, and then test if your printer is now recognized. At this point, we will remove and reinstall the printer from Settings. Open Settings, then go back into Bluetooth and Devices, and then Printers and Scanners. Select your printer from the list to open its details page, where you can see its status and queue. Click Remove and confirm if Windows asks you. Then restart your PC so Windows clears any stuck printer configuration. After the restart, return to Add Device in the same Printers and Scanners page and install the printer again, just like you did earlier. Finally, let us check for Windows updates, since some printer fixes arrive through system updates. Open Settings once more, and this time click Windows Update on the left side. Click Check for Updates, and wait while Windows looks for new system files and drivers. If any updates are available, install them and let the process complete. Restart your PC after the updates finish installing, then try your printer again and see if Windows now recognizes it correctly. By following these steps, you have worked through the main fixes for Windows 11 not recognizing your printer and greatly improved the chances it connects properly. If this helped get your printer working, please give the video a quick thumbs up and consider subscribing for more clear Windows fix guides.